Yo guys, what's up beautiful people? It's a beautiful evening here in Doha, Qatar. Thank you so much again for stopping by to the team. Brian, if you're new to our channel, do as we do it. Consider subscribing by hitting on that red subscribe button. I'm coming live from the museum here in Doha, Qatar, and you can see how beautiful Doha is. It's a beautiful, nice evening. So today I want to do an amazing collaboration with Hilda Ray. Kindly watch her channel if you have not watched, and you're going to see her in a short while. In a very short while, you're going to see Hilda Ray. And I want to talk about process of getting a passport because a lot of people ask that question, like how do I get a passport? So we want to discuss the process of getting a passport. So if you want to listen to our video, kindly stay tuned because it's gonna be wow. It's gonna be wow. See you as I meet Hilda. Yeah, yo guys, niliwaambia nitakutana na Hilda Ray. Ona vile ni mrembo, taniomba namba baadaye. Let's say something, then we continue with the video.
Hi guys, it's your girl Hilda, and I'm here with Team Brian. Manze, this is a pleasure. This is like, I don't know, nimengoja isiku. At least finally I've gotten this chance. So guys, we have good content today. We are talking about, what is this? How
to get a passport, like peke yako.
Yeah.
Without using an agent or without involving anybody.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I took this opportunity kukutana na Hilda, at least somebody also to add up on the points that I had on how to get a passport. Because when I did my last video, kuna watu wameniulizia like how can I get my passport, and I'm like, that was so simple, you know.
Yeah.
So I decided to dedicate the entire of this video to talk about how to get your passport. So I'm going to take you through a step, alafu na Hilda atashikilia mahali, then we are going to explain to detail. So the first thing, kama uko na simu yako na hapo karibu kuna cyber, just walk to your nearby cyber, create something we call an e-citizen account. E-citizen ndio utapata story na KRA pin, story na a lot of things. Yeah. Then after that kuna
KRA kwanza unachukua kando.
KRA ni kando. Yeah. KRA ni kando.
KRA pin kando.
Ni kando kabisa.
Inakuwa free?
Yeah, it's free. It's free to take the KRA pin. It's very free.
It's long guys, it's long. Nimefanya hii stuff, so
yeah. Then utaenda kwa portal ya immigration in that e-citizen account. Kwa hiyo portal ya immigration kuna place wanakuambia apply for a passport. Utaona tu hapo. Then unaanza kuandika those details. Your birth certificate details and your maybe ID details.
And please make sure it's the same thing. Usiweke kitu iko kwa birth certificate because utadinaiwa.
Because they need an original birth certificate. See photocopy, you will take the original.
Yeah.
So after umeandika those details, then you're going to pay online. It costs 4,550. That is for the other page, 60 pages, what pages?
Yeah, 60 pages.
Yeah, and for the 90 pages is 5,000 and something. I'm not sure, Juni Kitambo, maybe
long time.
It may change.
Yeah.
So after that, you're going to print the invoice. Then I think on that portal, watakuschedulia an appointment to Nyayo House ama siku hizi ni Huduma House.
But before that, usipeane pesa. You pay directly with M-Pesa with their pay bill number.
Hapo online. Hakuna place unapeana cash. So after doing that, they're going to invite you now to either Nyayo House ama Huduma Center. Squeezy, I don't know really if it's
Huduma Center. House.
Hata mimi nilienda Nyayo, and it's hell in Nyayo House. Juu ya line. You're going to make the longest queue in your life. It was my first time making such a queue.
It's true.
So ukifika hapo utamake queue, of course, maybe first day unaweza kuwa na bahati umake it to the desk. Yeah, utakutana na hao mama hapo na wababa with the most highest attitude in this world. Wanaweza kukuangalia hivyo kwambia kuja kesho. Can't forget. Then after that, of course, they're going to take your fingerprints. Then they're going to take your picture hapo ka passport photo kadogo. Then you are done, guys. You will be given a waiting something.
Yeah.
Then you're going to be under a number. Squeezy, they sent a message to your phone wanakuambia come and collect your passport. Kitambo manze tulikuwa tunategea like unaenda hapo kila
no najota bado sitachukua the new passport, so even I don't know how that process
start replacing it.
Na niko hapa nikiongea mambo ya
but you have a passport, so the new one,
passport,
that is the new one. Yeah, East Africa or whatever.
Yeah.
So that is how you get your passport. Very simple. Now of course ukifika hapo there's a lot of challenges guys. Kuna kitu najua nilikuwa confused nikifika hapo Nyayo House. Ati kuna place mtu anafaa kusign. I think somebody working in the government anafaa kusign as your lawyer or something.
Yes.
Chunga usikuliwe pesa hapo nje.
Kwanza hapo nje there are people who are like this waiting for that chance and then they lie to you. So be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
So you can trust. Mimi niliendanga and I didn't know anybody. I took somebody there and he took me to a lawyer. I had to pay something extra.
Yeah.
Masaibu.
Yeah.
I paid something extra ndo nikasainiwa alafu ndo wakaniprocessia at the staffs.
Exactly. So those are some of the challenges that you're going to, but see mob manze. I used only that. Mimi sikulipanga mtu hiyo pesa. By the way, I came to realize because I asked somebody like who can sign. Akanambia mtu yoyote kwa nini anaweza sign. So to get my passport, I did it alone. Kabisa. I did it alone and I spent only 4,550. Na nakumbuka ni pesa nilikuwa nimebet nayo. Yeah, I just nilibet, nika-win, nika-apply passport. You see?
You have good luck, eh?
Kabisa. Kisha yake nika-apply passport. And even my parents didn't know I had gone to apply for the passport. Nilienda tu. And I was not planning to travel.
Na but it takes around 1 week.
Yeah.
Unapata. Or maybe 2 weeks.
The funny thing, mimi sikuwa najipanga ku travel. I just needed to have the passport. Pia mimi nionyeshane watu niko na passport. And it happened so fast. Within 2 months, the idea of traveling came to my mind.
Wow, you're lucky.
So you should be that much ready. Another thing, that is the requirement. Kuna watu wanakuuliza ati nisaidie agent, nisaidie kupata kazi Qatar. You ask him, do you have a passport? Mtu ana
birth certificate. And if you don't have birth certificate, you can still go. Umesema Mombi House.
Huduma.
God have mercy upon us.
Kuna place mtu anaenda, you take your original like birth certificate and you can still apply.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Kabisa. So that is how easy it is. You need your, squeeze unahitaji hata good conduct. You need your passport and good conduct. Yeah, to get a job in Qatar. I think also Dubai.
Yes.
Both of them. You need a good conduct and a passport. Ukiwa na hizo mbili, anza kuuliza story na agent sasa. Yeah, because you need that. Agent atakuuliza hiyo unless you want to pay more, because I think passport kutafutiwa na agent mwingine atakuweka 10,000.
Yeah.
10,000, unaona?
Another advice na si part of this. Ukipata KRA, please always remember to return.
Yeah.
Ukikuja huku usisahau.
Just do nil return. Jo ukikaa sana, fine iko.
You get a fine.
Exactly.
Yep.
Yeah. So it's really amazing kukutana na Hilda Ray. Bado tuna bond hapa, is our first time and I'm really excited.
Sweat. Check it.
Yeah, it's hot. Qatar is hot.
Manze. Oh, geez.
But hatuwezi toroka sasa, tutafanya nini? We have to do a video and this is it, guys.
Yes.
Kabisa. So I think we have really explained into detail on how to acquire your passport back in Kenya. I think most countries, because a lot of people watch me from Saudi, Nini, I know you can do this. And if you need such informative videos, Hilda ako hapa. Amazing job changing story na NOC. Ako hapa hivi. She will guide you through. Kabisa.
Yes.
To reach to our channel, acha waambie.
So guys, go to YouTube, nitafute hapo naitwa Hilda Ray. Subscribe to my channel manze. Also to his, if you're a new viewer, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Also kama wewe umekuanga hapa manze, thanks for supporting us raw talent, na Mungu wa bless
Kabisa. I'm going to link her channel down there. So see you guys in our next video.
Yes.